Hi guys, in today's video we are going to discuss regarding Switzerland tourist visa from India. Like I'm going to teach you everything from processing time to documentation to pricing. Everything you will get to know in today's video, and why you should apply your Switzerland tourist visa with Akira Tourism. Everything you will get to know in today's video. So please do watch full video, then only you will get to know the full process of Switzerland tourist visa. So guys, before starting, let me tell you, my name is Yogesh and I'm the owner of Akira Tourism, and we provide you exceptional services regarding hotel, visa, flight, everything. So please do subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and let's start the video. So guys, let's first start with the processing time. Like how much time it will take when you start your Switzerland visa application process. See, once you submit your application in the embassy, in the Switzerland embassy, from that time you can calculate approximately 10 to 15 working days it will take for your full process of Switzerland tourist visa. Like you will get the result whether your visa is approved or rejected within 10 to 15 working days, and that time you have to count from the time of submission, not from the time you have submitted your application to Akira Tourism. And now when we talk about the validity, mostly you will get 3 months of validity, and validity means you will have to travel to Switzerland once your visa got approved, and that is also within 3 months. If you didn't travel within 3 months, that means your visa can be rejected. And when we talk about the duration of stay, like how many days you can stay in the Switzerland, that is totally depend on the embassy, because we cannot commit you, or any travel agent cannot commit that you will get 30 days of duration stay, 1 month of duration stay, or 2 months of duration stay. That is totally depend on the embassy. But if you have supporting documents, you have any kind of invitation letter from your relative or from your sponsor in Switzerland, then you might get more duration of stay. And when we talk about the documentation part from India, we need your passport copy, Aadhaar card copy, PAN card copy, last 6 month bank statement, last 3 year of ITR return, and NOC from the company, which we call non-objection certificate. And in case if you are not working somewhere, you can get us GST or MSME certificate from your company. So these are the documents we require for Switzerland tourist visa. Now when you send us all these documents, what happens, like first of all our sales team will check each and everything, whether some documents are missing or not. Then they will forward the document for the typing process, and then typing team will start the process by cover letter, itinerary, hotel, flight, dummy, insurance, everything they will prepare. They will prepare a proper file which they will send it to review team, and review team will do the final check of the work done by the typing team, each and everything. That's why our success ratio in the visa is the best in the market. Now let's talk about the pricing part. For the pricing, we charge just 9,000 rupees from India, in which we will provide you cover letter, itinerary, hotel, flight, insurance, everything we will provide you in this 9,000. And one more thing, when you go to submit your file in the embassy, there you have to pay 15,000 rupees. That is the embassy fees. So total you have to pay around 23 to 24,000 rupees for your application for Switzerland. See, once your visa got approved, we will provide you hotel, flight, package, everything, because we have the suppliers in Switzerland, we have the hotel partners in Switzerland, so we can get you the best price. But the most important and most challenging part is the visa. So once your visa is approved, rest we will take care everything. Now let me tell the benefit you will get while applying for Switzerland tourist visa with Akira Tourism. The number one benefit is the appointment. We will get you the appointment as soon as possible. Usually you also know that you are going to get appointment in 2 to 3 months, but we have dedicated appointment team in our office who will get you the appointment within 1.5 months. Okay, and the most important part, your file is being prepared by a visa expert who has more than a decade of experience in the visa industry and who knows everything, each and everything about the visa. So these are the benefits you are going to get when you apply your Switzerland or any country tourist visa with Akira Tourism. So if you also want to apply your Switzerland tourist visa with us, the number is given below, address is given below. Come to our office. We have office located in Luhadia Tower 601 in Jaipur, Sea Scheme, which is very famous area of Jaipur. So guys, please do contact if you want to apply. So if you like the video, press the like button. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till that time,